can't find the voice isolation feature on your iPhone, it might be due to compatibility issues or incorrect settings. Here's how to fix it. And before you do anything, check compatibility. Ensure that you're at least iPhone X series or later, and you must use iOS 15 or later. Now back to main process. Solution 1. Check out voice isolation feature. Open settings. Tap accessibility. Scroll down. Audio and visual. Tap add voice isolation to turn on. If this is already turned on, then turn it off and turn it back on again. Keep in mind that if you somehow don't get this option, you need to update your iPhone immediately. However, if you have this option but can't use it, try the following process. Solution 2. Activate your isolation feature. Open a phone dialer. Try to call any random number. Swipe down to open Control Center. Tap on the arrow icon. Now enable voice isolation. After that, your voice isolation feature will be activated. Still have problems? Try following the next process. Solution 3. Give a reset to all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Doing this will help you to solve all your issues. Then select Microphone. Ensure the app you're using for calls, FaceTime, WhatsApp, etc. has microphone access enabled. Now you should be able to fix the issue and use voice isolation on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next tutorial.